If your body feels tight, stiff, or sluggish in the morning, you're in the right place. This 5-minute routine will wake up your core, strengthen your glutes, and loosen up your spine and hips so that you can start your day feeling strong, flexible, and ready for anything. No equipment is needed, just your mat and your breath. Do it anywhere, your bedroom, living room, gym, or even outdoors. Just make sure that it's warm enough. Here's the game plan. We're targeting core stability, hip mobility, and spinal flexibility to get your body aligned and activated. Most people skip the essentials, but not you. You showed up, and that's already a win. By the end of this routine, I promise you feel lighter, looser, and more mobile. Let's hit the mat. We're kicking things off by activating the glutes and engaging the core. This is the foundation for a strong, stable body. Lie on your back with your feet bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press your heels into the ground and lift your hips toward the sky, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold at the top for a second, then slowly lower back down. Repeat this movement for 1 minute, keeping your core engaged. Glute bridges activate your posterior chain, strengthen the lower back, and improve hip mobility. If you sit a lot, this move helps counteract weakness in the glutes and lower back. Beginners keep the movement slow and controlled. Advanced stretches hold at the top for 3 to 5 seconds to deepen the activation. Now that our glutes are fired up, let's loosen up the hips with fire hydrants. Time to wake up those hips and improve mobility. Start in a tabletop position, hands stacked under shoulders, knees under hips. Keeping your right knee bent at 90 degrees. Lift it out to the side like a dog at a fire hydrant. Lower back down with control and repeat for 30 seconds. Switch to the left side and repeat for 30 seconds. Fire hydrants target the glutes, improve mobility, and strengthen the lower body. If you want stronger, more flexible hips, this is a must. Beginners keep the range of motion small. Advanced stretches add a small pulse at the top for each rep for extra activation. Now that our hips and glutes are warmed up, let's stabilize the core with bird dog. A strong core means better posture, balance, and mobility. This movement ties everything together. Stay in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg straight back, keeping your hips level. Hold for a moment, then return to the starting position. Repeat for 30 seconds, then switch sides, extending the left arm and right leg. Bird dog improves core stability, enhances spinal alignment, and strengthens the back and glutes. If you want to move better and prevent lower back pain, this is essential. Beginners, keep your toes lightly touching the ground for balance. Advanced stretches, a pause at the top for 3 seconds before lowering down. Now that we've activated the core and spine, let's open up the hips and twist through the spine. If your hip flexors feel tight and your spine needs a wake-up call, this will get you moving. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, keeping your left knee down. Plant your left hand on the ground and rotate your torso, reaching your right arm up toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your hips square. Switch to the left side, stepping your left foot forward and twisting to the left. This stretch improves spinal rotation, opens the chest, and stretches the hip flexors. It's perfect for anyone who sits for long periods. Beginners, keep the twist small and gentle. Advanced stretches lift the back knee off the ground for a deeper stretch. Now let's finish strong with the standing forward fold into side lunge. Time to bring it all together with a movement that stretches the hamstrings, hips, and inner thighs while keeping your body engaged. Stand hip width apart and fold forward, reaching towards your toes. From this position, step your right foot out wide into a deep side lunge, keeping the left leg extended. Return to center, then shift to a side lunge on the left. Keep alternating for 1 full minute, moving smoothly between each position. This movement loosens up the hamstrings, inner thighs, and hips while engaging the core and legs. It also improves flexibility and coordination. Beginners, keep the lunges shallow. Advanced stretches, try to go deeper into each lunge for a bigger stretch. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session, and let's go.